Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create application shortcuts to desktop in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, Run. Type Shellcalan Apps folder. Click OK. Right-click any app, click Create Shortcut. Click Yes to create shortcut to desktop. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.